Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2014 Volkswagen Jetta SE. I have finished all those 60,000 miles maintenance services, and what's remaining to reset that maintenance reminder light. In this video, I will show you how to deal with that. I will need obviously the key from the vehicle. I will be using these flashers. I will be using this button on the right side of the dashboard, and I will using this button up here. Also, I will be pushing on the brake pedal. And this is the way to take care of it. You have to close the door, so all the doors must be closed. Then you push the flashers. And now I will push the brake pedal down there, right? And while holding this button, right, I will put the ignition on. And this camcorder is big, so I cannot hold it in that position, but you will see it, right? So I'm holding this button and I put ignition in on position. I don't start it. And now within the 30 seconds I need to push the button on the left, and it's this one, and that range disappears and it's all perfectly reset. Let me shut it off and I will show you that it's gone. Alright, so here you look with me. I had that wrench there for the maintenance. In order to start this, right, you have to step on the brake and it's all gone, right? Maintenance light is not appearing and flashing. That little wrench is not there. I hope this video will help you to reset your own maintenance light. If it will happen, please give it thumb up and make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching today, my friend, and have a good one.